Hello, this is Nobuko. I'm on my back from shooting another video. I took a short detour and stopped at the shrine in Tokyo. I happened to drop in on a whim, and a beautiful and pleasant surprise was waiting for me there. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, let's go. I'm going to Yushima Tenmangu. It's a Shinto shrine commonly called Yushima Tenji. That is Torii, the entrance to the approach to the shrine. People often ask me about the differences between temples and shrines. Temples are for Buddhism and shrines are for Shinto. Shrines have a uniquely shaped gate called Torii while temples do not. This is the entrance to Yushima Tenjin. Is there some kind of event here? Let's get inside. Honestly, I didn't know that there was such a lovely festival here today. Today is early March. It's still cold, but I feel the spring sunshine. This shrine was originally established in 455 to worship Ame no Tajikarao no Mikoto, one of the deities appears in the Japanese myth. Later, in February 1355, the spirit of Sugara no Michizane, a historical figure, was also enshrined to venerate his extraordinary virtue as a scholar. It's still early for cherry blossom season. However, plum blossoms are now in bloom in Tokyo, as you can see here. Not only this shrine, there are many shrines that enshrine Sugara no Michizane. Sugara Michizane is said to have loved plum blossoms. He was a scholar in his lifetime, and now he is famous as a deity of studies. There are many wooden tablets over there. They are ema. Shinto and Buddhist worshippers write their wishes on them. Amongst the many ema wishing for success at many universities and high schools, and thank you ema reporting that they have been accepted, one caught my eye. May my daughter pass the junior high school entrance exam. And may my paper be published in the Journal of American Chemistry or Nature. The sign announces a purification ceremony for graduated children's school bags. Japanese children celebrate their graduation in March. There are omikuji boxes. Omikuji are random fortunes written on strips of paper at shrines and temples. The shop over there provides ema and amulets. Thus is a Jizo built to pray for recovery from the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. Jizo are guardian deities of children and travelers. This Jizo also wishes for recovery from the Noto earthquake in 2024. I'm a bit tired and need to rest. That cafe looks really nice. Okay, it's tea time here. The interior of the cafe is decorated with various paintings, tapestries, and ornaments. All decorations are for sale. I ordered oshiruko and matcha set. Oshiruko is a traditional Japanese sweet soup made from red beans and sugar. It's typically served the soup with mochi and is a perfect cold weather treat. This set includes oshiruko, Japanese pickles and dried seasoned seaweed, which are perfect after eating something sweet, and matcha and green tea. In the cafe, Mozart piano music was playing and it was very cozy atmosphere. The cafe was really nice. I enjoyed it a lot. What shop is that? I wandered over to a shrine where beautiful plum blossoms delighted me. It was a lovely surprise. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking your request. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね